You can pay your estimated taxes to the IRS easily on their website without having to create an account. There are no fees with this method, and you can schedule your payment 1 year in advance. Go to the irs.gov website and either click the Pay in the menu bar or select Make a Payment below. Here you have several ways to pay your taxes to the IRS. The easiest and free option for individuals, and the one we will choose, is paying directly from your bank account. You won't need to register or create an account, and there's no fees with this service. The other options listed here include paying with a credit or debit card, but there are processing fees involved here. If you have an IRS account, you can sign in and make payment through that, but if you don't have an account, you have to go through a verification process that can be challenging sometimes. Another way, you can use the EFTPS system that is mostly used by businesses but also individuals, but it does require registration and extensive verification. Finally, you can also pay through an installment payment and even check, money order, and even cash. However, the easiest, most convenient, and fastest is the first method, paying with the direct pay, as it is free, doesn't involve creating an account, and you can schedule your estimate payment up to a year in advance. This option, though, is only available for individuals, not businesses. Once you select it, you will have two options: make a payment or look up payment. The look up payment button lets you reschedule or cancel a payment that you already scheduled in advance, as long as you have the confirmation number. Let's select Make Payment option. Here you will have to select the reason for your payment. You can use this tool for other reasons besides just making your estimate payments. You could pay your balance due, amended taxes, proposed tax assessment, etc. However, I use it primarily to pay our estimate taxes. After I select the reason for the payment, I will have to specify which form I want this payment to apply to. Now, estimated taxes are paid on Form 1040-ES, so that will be the only option. For other reasons, other options will be displayed here. Finally, you have to specify the tax period for the payment. For estimated taxes, it is easy. You will only have the current year displayed. Select that and click Continue. In this step, you will need to verify your identity to make sure the payment is applied to your name in the IRS database and account so that you get a credit for the payment. Therefore, you want to use a prior year tax return information to verify who you are. Note that the current year does not become available for verification after the tax season is over. Therefore, for my 2023 estimated payment, I will use not the 2022 tax year, but rather 2021. If it is quarter 3 of 2023, you could use the 2022 to use as a verification, but if you're paying your first quarter payment, let's say on April 15, and just filed your taxes recently, it may be better to use the year before as a verification year. So I will select the year 2021 and then specify the filing status for that tax year. If you just gotten married or divorced or switch your filing status from a single to head of household, make sure that the filing status matches for that tax return. Then provide your name, social security number, date of birth, address, etc. Sometimes you may also have to provide adjusted gross income or AGI from that tax return, so make sure you have the tax return readily available for reference. Click Continue, and now you will have to specify how much in quarterly payment you want to make. Provide the date, and the date can be scheduled 1 year in advance. Provide your bank routing and account number. Notice that in the process, I was not asked for which quarter is the payment because the system will make that determination based on the date of your payment. June 15 is the last day of the quarter, so that will be associated with quarter 2, while July 7th would be in quarter 3. Now, in the last step, the email address is grayed out. You have to agree to email terms before you can provide your email address. But make sure you do that so that you have a copy of your payment with not only confirmation, but a reference number in case you want to cancel or reschedule the date or amount of any future scheduled payment. Before you submit the payment, you need to electronically sign the payment authorization by typing in your name and providing your social security number. Once you click Submit, you will have a chance to print and save a copy of your estimated taxes payment. Don't skip this step. Make sure you either print it or save a digital copy on your computer, because you will need this information when you're filing your tax returns so that you get credit for the payments you made throughout the year towards your tax liability. Thanks so much for watching.